Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to check distance in kilometers or miles in Google Maps. So firstly, launch the Google Maps app on your phone. Tap and hold the map where you want to start measuring. A red pin will appear. Tap the information panel at the bottom of the screen and then scroll and select Measure Distance. Drag the map so the crosshair moves to the second location and then tap Add Point at the bottom. You'll see the total distance displayed in the lower left corner. You can keep adding points like moving the map again, tap Add Point, and the total distance updates automatically. This is useful for walking routes, hiking trails, or multi-stop trips. Now tap the back arrow in the top left corner when you're done, and Google Maps will show you the distance that you selected using the pins. Now you can measure any distance in kilometers or miles. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks like this.